I'm Shauna Winter. I'm a millwright with the Port of Seattle. I am essentially a metal fabricator welder. We have 32 miles of waterfront property that we take care of. So if it's metal and it's broken, I fix it. If it's missing, I replace it. It's fun.
What type of training did you need for this position?
Training would definitely be going to school for welding and fabrication and getting your certifications.
What's your typical workday like?
To be honest, I don't have a typical workday, which is to me amazing. I have the blessing of coming to work every day and going, what am I gonna do? So sometimes we have emergency calls and I run out to any of the terminals that we have here at the port and go fix whatever that might be. Or then there's other projects where I'm in the shop and I'm building actual ladders, platforms, different things. So it goes back and forth. So I typically don't have a typical day.
Who inspired you most growing up and why?
My dad was a single father and he raised me to be a very independent and hands-on woman. And he did 48 years as a metal fabricator and manager, and he is what got me into trades and inspired me to be who I am today.
How do you balance time between your career and personal life?
One thing that's a blessing about being at the Port of Seattle is I get to work 4/10s. So I work Monday through Thursday. So having a 3-day weekend allows me to have more time with my family and be able to kind of focus on that and have that extra day.
How does your job impact port operations?
There's a lot of things that are safety and security that are all metal, whether it's gates, it's bollards, it's all sorts of different things. And we also do have 32 miles of waterfront property that we take care of, and all of that needs ladders. We have to make sure that those ladders are safe, and that's something that we build and we take care of as a safety feature for anyone in general.
You mentioned certification training for your position. Could you emphasize a bit more on the certification aspect of that?
So as far as getting certifications for welding, there's a lot of different ones that you can get. A lot of the times you just go to like a training, a school, your union hall.
Besides certifications, are there any licenses required?
For the millwrights in particular, we are the only shop here at the Port of Seattle that is also certified to do rigging. I did have to go to a class and get my rigging certification as well. I also have my forklift certification, my aerial lift certification. So those are some that we have to have too.